Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
So I am just proxying to the super admin. OK, and I will click on OK. Now I can go into the admin center. Every time. There is no requirement of going into the admin center because I can directly type, but I am just showing you. So again, I will go here. Now you can see set user permission. First permission. Second. Third. Fourth and fifth. All five. All five. Configuration tools are there. Right. OK. Now, after this, I want to check if he has all the access or not. So I will again go back. So we click on OK. Click on Admin Center. Go to Tools here. And scroll down. You can see all permissions are coming from it. Can you see here? Earlier permissions were not there. Now you can see, the permissions are coming here. Got it how? We have given the permissions. OK. So we went into the super admin and we have given the permissions from which tool that is managed, role-based permission access. OK. Now I will again go back into that particular Saffitomi. And I will click on OK. OK. And I will again go to directly. I can go manage. Role-based permission access. OK. Now I will go select here. OK. And I will go to, and I'm just removing the permission. OK. Got it. I removed. I have tested it. Testing was successful. And now I have removed the permission. Is it clear? Okay. So in this way, we can able to use this tool. What is the name of this tool? Manage role-based permission access. Who is having the access for this tool? Super admin and admin. Super admin and admin will be having the access. Okay. So if you want to add a user to give the LBP permissions, you have to use this particular tool. Okay. Then only in the admin center he can able to get all the access there. Okay. Got it. So again going back into my Excel. So I will become self. I already removed the permission. So here this is the use of manage role-based permission. Apart from that, we have other tools, that is, manage role-based permission. Permission, group permission, roles, user permission and role search permission. Okay. So total we have around 5 permissions. Okay. Any questions? I am okay with it. Permio or REN? I am okay. Okay. So, coming to discuss further, we will go here and first of all, we will start with permission. Okay. Then we will go and see about the permission group. Okay. So when you go into the permission role, how you will go into the permission role? We need to go to the admin center. How we went right? When we went into the admin center, after going into the admin center, we need to click on permission. Correct. After going into the permission role, we need to select the permission setting. After selecting the permission setting, when you click on the permission, you will find 2 things. One is user permission and one is administrative permission. Let me show parallelly here. When I go to the admin center, you can take permission role. So I can select. Okay. Manage permission role. Is it clear? I will click on Manage Permission Role. And now you can see lot of permissions out there. Okay. So when you click on a certain permission, okay, I will explain to you in the coming session. But when you click on the certain permission, what will happen? It will take you into a screen. Okay. Now you have name, description, permission settings and permission. Same thing I explained to you here. Permission settings. And under the same permission settings, you can see here permission settings. Okay. Under this you have a tab here. Permission. Okay. So when you click on this permission, it will take you to the 2 tabs. What is the 2 tabs? Administration and user permission. Administrative and user permission. So same thing. I am just showing you administrative and user permission. So in the administrative and user permission you will find lot of categories will be there. Okay. The certain categories are there, so these categories depends upon various modules. Okay.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.